Hello guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to a new video. I hope you all are doing well. In this video, I'll be teaching how to draw a winged eyeliner. This is a beginner friendly tutorial. Without any delay, let's begin the video. Use any eyeliner you have. Make sure that the tip of the eyeliner brush is thin, not very thick, so that you can draw thin lines and build up gradually. I'm using the Maybelline eyeliner. Here I'm making sure that I don't pick up more product. Now begin from the outer corner of your eye where your upper and lower lash line meet. You draw a flick first. Use the lower lash line as a guide for the angle and direction of the flick. Imagine drawing a diagonal line extending from the outer corner of your upper lash line towards the end of your eyebrow. Now starting from the 3/4 of your lash line, draw a line towards your tip of the flick. You can also do vice versa. Start from the tip of your wing or a flick and draw the line backwards to the center of your eyelid. Now fill in the triangle shape you have created with your eyeliner, creating a solid winged outline. This line should be gradually thinning as you move towards the inner corner of your eyes. Apply light pressure and create a short stroke along this imaginary line. This initial stroke will determine the length and angle of your flick. After creating the flick and connecting it to your lash line, go back and fill in any gaps with short and light strokes. This will help you achieve a smooth and even line. After filling the wing, move on to the center part of the eye. Extend the line to the center of the eyes and gradually to the inner corner of the eyes. Instead of trying to draw a single long line, use short strokes. This gives you more control over the line you are creating. You can also apply the eyeliner to the inner corner. This is optional. If you want, then you can apply, or else you can skip this step. Here is the simple and subtle eyeliner look. This looks good for the daily makeup look. You can also carry it for other festive looks also. If you want more dramatic winged eyeliner, you can create it. You have to gradually increase the thickness of the wing and the liner so that it won't look uneven. I like to draw the inner corner of my eye so that my eyes looks long and wide. Now I'm increasing the thickness of my wing and also making the length long for a dramatic winged liner. You can see that I'm using light strokes and increasing the thickness and length of the my wing gradually. I'm not trying to draw one single line. And also remember, everyone's eye shape is different, so the angle and length of your winged eyeliner might vary. The more you practice, the more confident you will become in creating the perfect winged eyeliner look for your eyes. This angle of the winged eyeliner looks perfect for my eye shape since I have hooded eyes on the outer corner of my eyes. The key for perfect winged eyeliner is the practice, so don't be afraid to experiment. So here is the final look of my winged eyeliner tutorial. I hope you liked this video and it was helpful. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Comment down below if you have any suggestion. See you in the next video. Bye.